Let's make turret sleeve. Go to top plane, sketch, click circle from origin, OK. Smart dimension 59.9. OK. OK. Exit. Extruded boss base. Here depth should be 5 mm. OK. Now this is our first body. Click on this face, sketch again, circle, smart dimension 49.2. OK. Exit again, extruded boss base. This time depth should be 2 mm. OK. Now again click on this face, sketch, circle. OK. Smart dimension, this time this should be exact 50. OK. Exit, extruded boss base. Depth should be 108. OK. Click here, chamfer, distance, fire distance, five, second one 1.5. Here select this edge. OK. Click on this face, sketch, circle. OK. Smart dimension 16. Radius, so dia should be 32. OK. Exit. This time extruded cut all through the body. Here through all. OK. Now look. Now we are going to cut a slot here. To do, we need to click this front plane, show. Here click right, sketch. Again click normal to. Or you can either hide this body. Here click this one. click line, click on this, bring your cursor to this origin and slightly move above. This should be in a line. Click here and here, right click, select smart dimension, this origin and this point, 17. Total distance should be 75. Okay, click on this line, offset entered is here 7, and make sure this cap ends should be take an arc selected, so we can get this arc. Okay, now delete this center line, press delete button on keyboard. Now exit extruded cut in feature tab, reverse direction here up to body and select this body, or you can keep it simply blind and don't worry, just click OK and show body here. This is our turret sleeve, almost done. Let's make a chamfer here on this slot. Click chamfer, distance 1 mm, both should be 1 mm. Here select this one, outer edges, this one and this one. Okay, hide this front plane. Here click and drag to select everybody. Now right click, appearance, body, here metal, steel, select, let's select this matte steel. Okay, look, this is our turret sleeve. Okay,